Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Upflush toilet is probably one of the most revolutionary advancements in bathroom plumbing, offering a practical and elegant solution for spaces where traditional drainage is impossible or impractical. This innovative system uses a powerful macerating pump to effectively grind waste and transport it through smaller pipes, opening up a world of design possibilities for homeowners and builders alike, whether you're renovating a challenging space or constructing a new home in a location with unique drainage limitations. Today, we'll explore the key features, benefits, and considerations to help you decide if an Upflush toilet is the right choice for your next project. Number 5. Saniflo Sanibest Toilet Kit. Say goodbye to bathroom limitations. It's the simple solution for adding a bathroom anywhere in your home, without the hassle of major construction. This kit makes it easy to install a fully functional bathroom, no matter the location. It eliminates the need to break up your floors. You'll receive the SaniPLUS macerating pump, a standard white toilet bowl, and a matching white tank. Everything you need is right here. Need an elongated bowl or an extension pipe for behind-the-wall installation? We have those options available separately. Enjoy free same-day shipping via UPS. It's professionally packaged to ensure it arrives safely, ready for installation in just 2 to 3 business days. With its simple installation and reliable performance, it's the perfect solution for adding a bathroom to your home. Order yours today. What we like. It boasts effortless installation, saving you time and hassle. Plus, enjoy free shipping for a seamless experience. This is perfect if you need a reliable and easy-to-install solution, and don't want to deal with shipping costs. If you value convenience and a straightforward setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The instructions were clear. We had to adjust a few things to make it work for our setup, but it was simple and easy to do. What's more impressive, is how well it works. Our old system was so loud. This one is whisper quiet and works so efficiently. Unbelievable packaging with this toilet. I swear I have never seen something packed so carefully and padded so much. Arrived in 3 packages, all perfect. This toilet and pump works just as I hoped and is quieter than I expected. I tied the sink and shower into the pump and it handles them as well. Number 4. Saniflo Sanibest Pro Kit. This innovative toilet system solves your plumbing challenges. It's perfect for spaces where traditional toilets are impossible. It's designed to fit where others can't. Enjoy the convenience of a toilet without the limitations of traditional plumbing. It efficiently handles waste, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Say goodbye to clogs and plumbing issues. It's designed for simple installation, saving you time and money. Professional installation is recommended, but it's designed to be straightforward. Experience the comfort and style of an elongated bowl. It offers a more spacious and comfortable seating experience. It operates quietly and efficiently, providing years of reliable service. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust design. Upgrade your bathroom with this complete Upflush toilet system. It's the perfect solution for unique plumbing situations. What we like. This model offers superior comfort with its elongated bowl. It's known for its powerful flush, ensuring efficient waste disposal. It's ideal if you prioritize comfort and a strong flush. If you appreciate a comfortable and effective toilet, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to install and works like it should. Some say it is loud in the reviews, but I don't think it is loud. It has a hum when it engages, but not loud at all for my ears. We connected a sink and soaker tub to it. We have had it installed for several months and it works great. Fantastic. Easy install if you're a DIY kind of person with basic tools and skill set. I've installed toilets where I had to break up concrete and tap into sewer lines before, and this was so much easier. I bought the best even though it was probably overkill. It's worth the extra couple $100 for me to have the option of hooking up the washing machine or something else. I did over 30 hours researching and comparing brands. Installed and working. Used the shower yesterday for the first time. Everything working well and I'm pleased with it. With the kids having sleepovers every weekend, we decided it was time to add a full bathroom in the basement instead of hearing 8 kids going up and down the stairs all night. We have owned this toilet for over 2 years and have not had one issue with it. As expected, the pump is loud, but it is very effective. Has never once backed up. Number 3. Saniflo SaniPLUS Upflush Toilet Kit. This innovative toilet system solves your plumbing challenges. It's perfect for adding a bathroom where traditional plumbing isn't feasible. It efficiently macerates waste, allowing it to be easily pumped away through smaller pipes. Say goodbye to complex and costly plumbing installations. Enjoy the comfort and style of an elongated bowl. It's designed for enhanced user experience and modern aesthetics. The included extension provides added flexibility for various installation scenarios. It ensures a perfect fit in your space. It's designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and money. Detailed instructions make the process simple and efficient. It's built to last with high-quality materials and components. Enjoy peace of mind with its reliable performance. What we like. Enjoy both comfort and space-saving design with its elongated bowl and ability to be installed behind the wall. This maximizes your bathroom space. It's perfect for smaller bathrooms or those seeking a sleek, modern look. If you are looking for a space-saving solution with a comfortable design, this is the one for you. What people say. It was easy to install and works great. This is absolutely the best answer for a below-grade bathroom. I was able to install the toilet, a shower, and sink by myself. Well-made system. Great directions and diagrams included as well for DIY project. Number 2. Simple Project 600W Macerating Toilet. This innovative toilet solves your plumbing challenges. It's perfect for basements or any location where traditional plumbing is difficult. With a robust 600-watt motor, it efficiently pumps waste upward, eliminating the need for complex plumbing. It can pump waste up to 29.5 feet vertically and 295 feet horizontally. It features an AC vent with an activated carbon filter to minimize unpleasant odors. You can use a carbon block or connect it to your home's ventilation system. This unit boasts 4 water inlets, allowing you to connect your toilet, shower, sink, and laundry to a single macerator pump for a streamlined solution. Installation is straightforward, avoiding the need to break floors for pipes. We also offer excellent customer support and a 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This toilet features multiple inlets for connecting various plumbing fixtures, simplifying your bathroom setup. Its odor control system keeps your bathroom fresh. This is perfect if you need a versatile system for multiple fixtures and want to minimize unpleasant odors. If you value a clean and efficient multi-fixture system, this is a great option. What people say. Purchased toilet BT 160 feet away from septic and concerned about distance. No problems with this macerating system. Easy installation, direct to concrete basement floor. IT has been very helpful, the installation was not difficult. Number 1. Macerating Toilet with 700W Pump. This upgraded toilet system boasts a 700-watt macerator pump, significantly more powerful than its 500-watt predecessor. It easily handles waste from multiple sources, ensuring efficient and reliable disposal. Enjoy peace and quiet with its whisper-quiet operation at only 25 to 35 decibels. The durable aluminum motor casing and stainless steel blade guarantee a long lifespan of reliable performance. Installation is flexible and straightforward. It can be installed behind the toilet or wall, and includes plugs for unused inlets. Watch our installation video for step-by-step guidance. This all-in-one kit includes the elongated bowl, tank, pump, and connecting pipe. It's designed for water efficiency, using only 1.6 gallons per flush, saving you money on your water bill. We stand behind our product with a 1-year manufacturer warranty for both replacement and repair. Contact us with any questions or installation issues, we'll respond within 12 hours. What we like. It features a high-powered motor for superior performance and quiet operation for a peaceful bathroom experience. It comes as a complete kit, simplifying installation. This is perfect if you need a powerful, quiet, and convenient all-in-one solution. If you prioritize power, quietness, and ease of installation, this is the best choice. What people say. Easy to install, works as it should, no complaints. It has worked great right up till today. The replacement arrived as promised and works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.